see that?
See what?
The hood on that piece of crap Jeep looks crappier than usual.
Where are you going?
To take a look. Stay here.
I'm not staying in the car.
Just stay in the damn.
Do not leave me alone in the car.
Fine. God, don't have a meltdown.
Look at that. It is indeed a piece of crap. Can we get Allison and leave now? What are you doing? You getting Allison? Jackson?
Whoa! Come on, get across. Come on. What? What are you doing? I just want to get a look at it. Are you crazy? Look, it's trapped, okay? It's not gonna get out. Yeah, that's right. We got you. Shut up! No, I'm not scared of this thing. I'm not scared of you. All right, because you're in there and we're out here. You're not going anywhere.